Hello everybody! Today we're going to be making a very simple salad. Specifically, it's going to be Greek with a little Californian spin on it, which we will get to momentarily. Those are the ingredients in the upper right hand corner if you want to take a look at that before starting to make sure you have everything, or maybe you have to make a quick run to the store or your backyard for some spices and ingredients. But let's get right into it. So first you're going to peel your cucumbers. Yes, peel your cucumbers. My dad is a really big salad guy. He really loves salads. So my mom got into a phase at one point where we were trying a bunch of different salads. And this one turned out to be very, very, very good. So this is one of our favorite salads. But yeah, once you chop up all of your cucumbers, which my mom does it like vertically, and then chops up the opposite direction. Then you're going to cut up some cherry tomatoes. Make sure, once again, you guys obviously know that normal tomatoes and cherry tomatoes taste very different. Cherry tomatoes are a lot more sweet, so don't mix those up. And I guess you could substitute, normal tomatoes in here, but it just won't be the same as this specific dish. And then you're also gonna get your red onion and chop that up as well. And actually, I recently learned that red onion is the spiciest onion. I used to think that for some reason white onion was not spicier, but when you bite into an onion and sometimes your eyes tear up, not from cutting it, but just it's a little bit of clears your sinuses, a little spicy. Yeah, apparently red onion does that the most, not white onion. So you guys should make this salad so you could test that out and see if it's true. I don't know why I thought this was relevant. I don't know even why I had to look this up. But that's what happened to me the other day. And then we're going to move on to some olives as well. I really love olives. I know olives are a thing that people may or may not like matcha or sushi. I feel like those are two things that people usually disagree or agree on. And also, once again, the Californian twist was the avocados. So, Californians will throw avocados into anything. And this is us doing that and serving the stereotype, which I apologize for. But, sometimes, what are you going to do? If it tastes better, you're just going to eat it. That's the motto here. Finish with some feta cheese on that last layer. And we're going to make a little mixture of olive oil, lemon, and honey. So I want to say secret ingredient honey for this dish. Makes it a little bit sweeter, which is really good. Matches really well with the cherry tomatoes. And the spices are going to be oregano and garlic. Is garlic a spice? I don't know. Just put in some garlic in there. And you could just mix that. Just shake it around. And then also, do you guys know that avocado is a dessert in some countries? I didn't know that either. So it's a lot more expensive there, which would make sense if it's considered a dessert. Yeah, I don't know what we would do if we couldn't have avocados as much as we do. Thank God for that. But yeah, once you have mixed up your dressing, just go ahead and put it on there. And it's okay if you had little garlic bits. It's as if you were to cut garlic and put it in the salad anyways. So, that's fine. And then go ahead and mix that up. And what's funny? I actually thought about this the other day. Do you guys know people sell actual salad, salad mixers, right? Like the two huge spoons. And, in theory, while it's nice to have a specific salad mixer, I feel like just normal spoons and silverware get the job done so much better than those. So that's what my mom was doing here. That's why I thought about that. But anyways, once you're done, you can serve in cute little bowls. And this is, I think, my mom and my brother trying it out. Me and my mom and my brother all have very similar hands. Oh, that's my dad. Oh, damn. Okay, well, I was wrong. I'm sorry. Me and my mom and my brother have very similar looking hands. So I get us very confused. But looks like they liked it. And we hope you guys like it too. But that's it. Happy Greek salading. Bye bye.